morning, friends. My name is Christina, and I work at Girl Scouts Northwestern Great Lakes. With me today, I have my super fun scientist named...
My name is Lacey, and I'm a Daisy.
And what we're going to do today is we're going to show you girls how to make a volcano with just some simple kitchen ingredients that you have. Okay, so what do we all have in front of us? Can you pick things up and show them? Let's start with this. Why do you think we would need this?
To put stuff in it.
This is going to catch our mess so it doesn't go all over the counter or the floor. So we're going to make sure that you have a pan that's going to be able to catch your mess, okay? Mm-hmm. We also have 3 different size glasses. We thought it might be fun to figure out which vase, glass, or small cup would have the biggest explosion.
Like the big one or the medium one or the small one.
Okay. We also have some food coloring. The colors that we chose are volcano colors. So we chose some yellow and some red. But because we like to make things sparkly, we also pulled out some of our glitter. So we have pink glitter and we have blue glitter. So hopefully we'll be able to see some of the glitter. Now, what do you think we would need in order to make our volcano?
I think oil and
well, it's not oil. What we actually need is we need vinegar. On top of the vinegar, we also need some baking soda, okay? We are gonna measure it all out with our half cup and our tablespoon. Okay, so Lacey, which glass would you like to start with?
Big one.
The big one. Actually, I think we should start with the small one.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Small one it is. Okay, so we need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking powder into our cup, okay?
It might take a while.
Pour that on in for me. So that was 1. And 2. Perfect. All right. Which color would you like to start with? Or do you want to do both?
I want to start with red.
Red. Okay. So we're going to just add about 2 to 3 drops of the food coloring. Okay, we have 3 drops of our food coloring in there. And now what we're going to do, I'm thinking because we chose red, let's go with blue glitter. Okay. So we'll add in this blue glitter. Oh, that was a lot of glitter. It's going to be a really sparkly. All right, now what we need to do is we need to add in our vinegar. This is what's actually going to make our volcano work. What do you think is going to happen?
I think it's already going to explode.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Now the fun part about this is you can keep doing it over and over to the same glass over and over. Okay. So that was our small one.
And look what happened.
And look what happened. We have kind of a mess. That's why we did it in here. All right. Now we're going to use our Harry Potter cup. This cup will actually change colors as it gets wet. So I thought that would be kind of fun too, to watch that kind of take place. All right. So we're going to do it again. So we'll do 2. What color would you like this time?
I think yellow.
Yellow this time. We're going to do 2 to 3 drops again of our yellow. Oh, I think our yellow is actually brand new. It sure is.
Mommy did not see that coming.
I did not see that coming. You're right. I made a mistake by not checking. So what happened to my brain?
Your brain just grew.
My brain just grew. Absolutely. I think we're just going to use a different color that's probably open. We'll go with orange.
Ooh, I wonder what it's gonna do now.
All right, so we have our orange. We're going to add in some pink glitter.
Oh no, I can't watch.
All right, Miss Lacey, are you ready? Here we go.
Whoa! That is pretty cool.
All right, so that was our medium glass. We got a little bit more in there as well. Now we're gonna do our big glass, okay?
I know what's gonna happen.
So I used a vase. Whatever size you have is fine. That's why I'm doing it with 3, so that you can see that no matter what, it works, okay? So we're gonna do the exact same thing again. So we're gonna add in some baking soda. And I'm thinking this time we're gonna do 3 because it's a little bit bigger, right? Okay. This time, my vote is that we do orange and red together. Okay?
That's what I was thinking.
You were thinking that too? I think that's a great option. So we have our orange that just went in. Would you like to do my red? Perfect. And I think we should do both pink and blue.
Yeah.
Okay, you want the pink? All right. Sprinkle some of our glitter in because we like to have glitter explosions. That was perfect. We have a lot of pink glitter. All right. We now have our vinegar that's going to cause our explosion.
I can't watch.
All right, are you ready? Here we go. Ooh.
What? I knew it.
You knew it. So should we add in maybe a little bit more and see what happens again on this big one?
Yeah. Oh no.
Look at that. Kind of like a volcano that just bubbles right to the surface. How cool is that?
What if you add more of it?
It would just do the same thing again. Here it comes again.
Oh no. Ooh.
Why do you think it does that?
Because if you add a lot in it, it might get there. Sometimes when you put a lot in it, and more, it gets higher because, like, when I put my toys away at the bottom, and then it gets higher and higher because I keep cleaning up.
Yep. All right. So what you did today is you did a Girl Scout Challenge seeking experiment. All right. What happens if you make a mistake?
Maybe.
Does your brain grow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does, right? Maybe what we should have done is maybe we should have added a little bit of extra baking soda, because baking soda and vinegar make that explosive combination. How cool is that? And you can do that just at home. High five.
Mommy, I have to look something.
Thanks, Girl Scouts, for joining us. Have a great day.